Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make myself a cargo net in this area. I tried to find this part second-hand. It's almost $100 if it has this cargo net here. I'm not going to pay that. I'm going to make a frame out of these things all around this size. Here, drill some holes, zip ties, black ones, and then some kind of net in that frame, and I'm done for free, not $100. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, my father is disassembling the old joints. We don't need all of them, but we will keep the ones that are still good for us. Old solder, so it's a little bit harder to melt. Okay, that's done. So we continue. Okay, sorry about the light. This is the first test fit. As you can see, pretty good. We let this end, it's about one centimeter off, or something, half a centimeter longer than the other end, and yeah, pretty decent. So now we will solder them and then find something to bridge this gap. So let's get to it. Okay, so we don't really care here to be airtight or watertight. It just needs to be soldered, so it makes our job way easier. We are making a sleeve for that frame. The sleeve is almost finished. Now I just need to tighten it and close it at this end, somewhere behind it, by hand. And that should be about it. Okay, my mother is closing up the end now. If you ever need to make sure that cloth does not tear when you drill a hole to it, you just put some super glue on it. I've checked all my points where this touches the frame of the pocket where I want to put it, and now I'm just putting super glue in those points. So I already have 3 of them, and this is the 4th one. Super glue goes into the cloth. It will stick it to the metal, but also make it almost like some kind of glass fiber or something like that. So you can drill through it without damaging anything, and you just wait for it to dry now. At this point I'm going to make some holes, mostly through trial and error and a bit of guessing. You can try to measure it, but I don't think it's worth your time. You can make holes pretty easily in this thing. If I could actually get this thing out now, you can see what I'm using to make holes. And yeah, I'm going to put in the first screw and see how it works out. Okay, and it's finished. You can see a screw here, one here, one there, and one on the other side. It was a little bit hard to align them with the holes, but yeah, I managed to do it perfectly in the end. This was starting to break loose, so I glue it with super glue and then a little bit of shoe glue. And also I put a little bit of super glue and shoe glue on these things, so they can't come loose and I don't know, go into the fuses or something, create a fire hazard. So yeah, this thing is about done. Let's close it nicely. Okay, and this is the final result. In my opinion, this thing is perfect, and I didn't pay anything. I used stuff that I already had, and yeah, that's way better than paying about $100 to get a second-hand one of those things. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.